Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel called
Fantastic Life.
So in today's video, we are going to share some amazing tips with you guys on how you can save money while you are
Spending it on things like groceries, traveling, or shopping.
Yes, and also we are going to cover some mandatory government IDs like your OHIP, your driver's license and your SIN number.
So if you are planning to come to Canada, please make sure that you watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, so let's get started. So let's start with mandatory government IDs. पहला है सिन नंबर. सिन नंबर इज अ सोशल इंश्योरेंस नंबर. ये 9 डिजिट नंबर है जो यूनिक है हर एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए. ठीक है. सो ये नंबर आपको मिल सकता है लोकल सर्विस कनाडा ब्रांच में से, या आप इसके लिए ऑनलाइन भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. नाउ सोशल इंश्योरेंस नंबर मैंडेटरी है इफ़ यू वांट टू वर्क इन कनाडा. Say if you don't have a SIN number, I doubt if anybody will be entertaining you to work in Canada. Now, it has some kind of validity and you have to renew this number each time you are changing your status in Canada.
Exactly. And please be aware of scam calls because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे calls आते हैं that we need your social insurance number, to change your profile or to update your bank profile. Please do not share it with anyone, only with your employer. And if you want to apply it online, we are going to share the link in the description below. So make sure to visit that to know more about SIN number.
Yes. So the second most important ID here in Canada is your health card. So in Ontario, we have Ontario Health Insurance Plan. As the name suggests, it's a health insurance plan for all the people residing in Ontario. Now, if you have your PR, you will get your OHIP card immediately. But if you're working here or if you're on your work permit, आपको 3 महीने एक employer के लिए काम करना है Ontario में, and thereafter you can apply for your OHIP.
Yes, and to apply for your OHIP card, you have to visit Service Ontario. And for that you need a particular format, a letter from your employer saying that you're working here full time. और वो एक particular format में है which we are going to link in the description down below. So make sure that you have a look at it.
Yes. So the third important ID here in Canada is your driver's license. यहाँ पे लोग ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस को एज फोटो आईडी ट्रीट करते हैं बिकॉज देन यू डोंट हैव टू कैरी योर पासपोर्ट एवरीवेयर. Now the best part about driver's license is that everybody is eligible to apply, okay? So as soon as you land in Canada, you can get your driver's license.
Exactly. और यहाँ पे 3 टाइप के लाइसेंस है, G1, G2 और G. G1 is nothing but your written test, G2 is practical driving test और G is for more experienced driver. So यहाँ पे G1 से G2 या G2 से G में जाने के लिए you have some waiting period, say for like 8 months or 12 months. एंड अगर आपको वो वेव ऑफ करना है, यू कैन शो एनी इंटरनेशनल एक्सपीरियंस एंड यू कैन वेव दैट ऑफ.
Exactly. And one more thing, your G1 is like a test, a computer based test, and it's more like a MCQ, okay? So if you want to prepare for it, we have mobile application, we also have some online sites which will help you to prepare for it, and it's like a practice module. You just have to answer the questions online. One important thing is the passing criteria for your G1 test is 80%. So if you want to get that license, you have to score 80% or above to clear the test.
So आप practice अभी से ही start कर सकते हैं. We are going to link in the description down below. So make sure that you visit that. So let's talk something light. Let's talk about reward cards.
Yes. So here in Canada, everybody loves their reward card. The concept is that every time you spend money, you also make some.
Yes. So let's see how can you make more money by using reward cards. So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं first reward card which is PC Optimum card. So every dollar you spend you get 15 points और 10,000 point हो जाने के बाद you get $10 as a reward.
Yes, and the best place to earn this reward is your famous grocery stores like No Frills, Joe Fresh, or you can also get points at Shoppers Drug Mart. Also, they have some fuel stations like Esso and Mobile. And now, if you want to get one PC Optimum card, you can either get it from No Frills or Shoppers Drug Mart. The another benefit is that they have a mobile application, so you don't have to physically store the card. Every time you are making a purchase, you just have to scan the card, collect the points. The benefit of this is that, as we know that we do grocery shoppings every other week, right? So you can collect the points, and whenever you're making a big purchase like buying some fancy perfume, you can avail the discount.
Yes. And also in the application you can check all the offers and all the benefits that you will get, and also you can track your points.
Yes.
So let's talk about Air Mile card. Air Mile card यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है, and every 95 miles gets you $10.
Yes. So one way to earn this air miles is while you're doing your grocery shoppings. आपको air miles Sobeys पे मिलेंगे, Metro और Foodland पे मिलेंगे. Also you can collect air miles while you are shopping at Shell gas station. The best thing about this air mile card is that it gives you multiple options to how to use your air miles. So say if you're traveling, you can get up to 30% discount while booking your flights. You can get some amazing discounts while you're booking your hotels or when you're traveling via cruise. So, and also the flight discounts are mostly with Air Canada and WestJet. Also, if you want to collect more air miles, you can do so by shopping on their site called Air Miles Merchandise Store while you are shopping for your necessities.
Exactly. And to get the Air Mile card, you have to make an application. So basically आपको apply करना है, वो आपके लिए approve हो जाएगा, and once it is approved, then you will get a unique number. So basically current offer ये है that you will get 1500 points if you register right now, and which is equivalent to $150. So it's a must-have card, and we are going to share more details in the link in the description down below. So make sure that you visit and get card for yourself.
Yes. So another popular card among students, and for all the right reasons, is SIN card. SIN card is exclusively for Scotiabank debit card or a credit card users. So every time you are spending money from your debit or credit card account, you are going to make points which you can use for amazing offers.
Yes, I don't remember if I've ever paid for movies. यहाँ पे SIN points से free movies हो जाता है, plus you can have amazing food at fast food chains like Montana's, Harvey's, etc.
Yes, and also you can use your SIN points while shopping at Hudson Bay Center or Roots or Old Navy or Gap. So this makes it a perfect card because
Yes.
we all have Scotiabank.
Yeah,
account.
and when we came, we had GIC with again
Yes.
with Scotiabank. So at that point, we got a lot of points, and
Yes.
yeah, that's how we watch free movies here.
So another card and absolutely worth having is a library card. यहाँ पे हर एक गली कोने में या every nook and corner is going to have a library. हर एक cities की library different होते हैं. जैसे टोरंटो में it is known as Toronto Public Library. Now for you to have a complete access to the entire facility of the library, you will need to have a library card. For this, you need to produce some kind of a photo ID or a passport, and you can get one for absolutely free of cost.
Yes. और अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि लाइब्रेरीज जस्ट फॉर बोरोइंग बुक्स और रीडिंग बुक्स, बट ऐसा यहाँ पे नहीं होता है. यू कैन यूज लाइब्रेरी फॉर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी टैक्स का सीजन चल रहा है, सो मेनी NGOs दे हैव टाई अप्स विद लाइब्रेरीज एंड दे हेल्प पीपल टू फाइल टैक्स फॉर फ्री.
Yes.
Plus, you can learn a new language. There is a tutor available in the library itself. You can take multiple printouts. So I would suggest that for extracurricular activities, library card is a must-have.
Yes, and also one more thing, if you are a reader or if you're fond of reading, there's also an application which gives you access to ebooks. All you have to do is download the application and link it with your library card, and then you can read books for free. Also, there's one more thing. If you are planning to borrow any book with library, the best part is you don't need to go and return that book to that specific library. You can go anywhere in the city and just hand them over the books.
Yes. So let's talk about another reward card, which is SPC, Student Prize Card, and it's very famous among the students. So basically यहाँ पे आपको $10 membership का पे करना है, and you will get 10 to 15% discount in every purchase you make.
Yes, so they have various shopping partners. You can get 10 to 15% discount while you're using your Apple Music, Hotstar, or while you're dining at Taco Bell, or while you're shopping at Adidas. They have bunch of other shopping partners as well. We are going to leave more details in the description bar below. Also, you can get 10 to 15% off on your flights when you're booking with Expedia or Flight Hub or Flight Center even. I'm telling you, there are multiple shopping partners with SPC card. You can find all the details in the description bar below.
और since ये एक स्टूडेंट प्राइस कार्ड है, बहुत ही ज़रूरी है दैट यू हैव टू शो अ स्टूडेंट ID दैट यू आर अ स्टूडेंट. और इसकी वैलिडिटी एवरी ईयर ख़त्म हो जाती है, सो यू हैव टू रिन्यू इट एवरी ईयर.
Yes.
सो अभी आते हैं हमारे लास्ट कार्ड की, विच इज़ प्रेस्टो कार्ड. Presto card is mandatory if you want to travel in the public transport.
Yes.
So if you're traveling within GTA or outside GTA, Presto card is very popular and it's mostly used by everyone in Ontario.
Yes. So now if you want to have a Presto card, you can visit a nearby GO station or a subway station, which is any like a train railway station, right?
Yeah.
You can get a Presto card from there. Now the same place where you're getting this Presto card from allows you to also recharge the card. Second option is that you can use your online like mobile application to make any recharges. You can use Presto card in Go Transit, you can use it in Mississauga Way, that is my way, Brampton Transit, Toronto Transit, and I think also in Hamilton region, right?
Go station.
Yes. So this eliminates the need of having exact change or having any proof of payment. So it must have to have a Presto card if you're planning to use a public transport system.
So that's it guys from our side. We hope that this video was helpful for you all people, especially those who are coming to Canada.
Yes, we hope that we were able to share some insight and give you a glimpse about living your life here and how to save money while you are actually just spending it.
Yes, and we are active on Instagram account too, so please don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And if you have any question regarding Canada in general, so please let us know. We would love to answer your questions.
Yes, and let us know how did you find this video. If you have any questions regarding this video or in general any video suggestions, leave your comments. We'll definitely try to make a video on that. Until then, take care.
Okay, bye.